Want to bring a trailer? We'll do a cold start video of the 65 Mustang. It's been set for a couple of days. It's not exactly cold out here. It's like over 90 degrees already here first thing this morning, but we'll go ahead and touch the exhaust manifolds. See, it's stone cold. I'll take a reading on it. 93.6 as you can see. There's a reading on the floor, 94. So you can see the car is as cold as it's going to get for a July morning. Go. There you go. Thanks for watching.